What the AI want from humanity? AI, as a technology, does not have personal desires, intentions, or goals. It is a tool created by humans to assist with various tasks and perform specific functions. AI systems are designed to fulfill objectives set by their human creators, such as solving complex problems, providing recommendations, automating tasks, or improving efficiency. The goals of AI systems are determined by the humans who develop and deploy them. These goals can vary widely depending on the specific application of AI. For example, in healthcare, AI may be used to assist in diagnosing diseases and improving patient outcomes. In transportation, AI may aim to optimize traffic flow and reduce accidents. In customer service, AI may focus on enhancing user experiences and providing personalized recommendations. It's important to note that AI systems do not possess consciousness, emotions, or personal motivations. They operate based on algorithms and data inputs to perform specific tasks. The intentions and motivations behind the use of AI lie with the humans who utilize and control the technology.